Are you ready to tap into the high-velocity world of tech stocks? Welcome to Ian Cooper's Tech Stocks Option Program, where precision meets opportunity in the tech market. From July 2015 to March 2024, starting with a $10,000 test account and allocating approximately $1,000 per trade, this program has achieved a 72% win rate with an average annual return of 298%. That's right. Our subscribers have enjoyed an average monthly return of $2,482, totaling a profit of $19,960 over the last 6 months alone. The man behind the strategy, Ian Cooper, has been a guiding force for traders since 1999. His unique ADD news flow strategy has empowered thousands to capitalize on market momentum. Ian's keen analysis foresaw the financial crisis of 2008, and he's been helping traders navigate market waters ever since, even predicting gold's rally well above $1,500. In the world of tech stocks, timing is everything, and with tech stock profits, we focus on trading the most liquid tech giants. Our approach is simple. We trade puts and calls based on precise indicators and market overreactions. By joining Tech Stock Profits, you'll receive about 10 trade alerts per month, each carefully selected from a hot list of 15 reliable tech stocks. We're not just about getting in, we're all about smart exits. With us, you'll know exactly when to step out, protecting your gains and cutting losses. Remember, all trading involves risk, but with Ian's strategy and a recommended stop loss of no more than 35% per trade, your portfolio is positioned for informed, strategic growth. Ready to start? Ian suggests a minimum account size of $5,000 to get the full benefit of tech stock profits. Dive into the potential of tech stocks. Visit or call us to join Ian Cooper's Tech Stocks Option Program and start trading with confidence. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Ian Cooper's Tech Stocks Option Program, where smart strategy meets market opportunity,